Sophia, Momodu, last, everybody go cast, chop breakfast. You don't chop your own breakfast. You carry your daughter, go party, different party with your savage son. Now you keep Ifeanyi you. Everybody go know say you are witch. When Davido carry on with private jet, they go Ghana. Ah, Chioma, you don't sleep. Person can't steal you. Chioma, you don't sleep. Sophia, Momodu, you are a witch. See your shout old cargo voice say, I will send this photo to your daddy. Man, fuck you, bitch. What daddy? Davido, if I were you and now and deal with them. Since they're dealing with your soul and your happiness. Since they're stealing the only thing. And Chioma, all those girl boyfriends Chioma used to have, all of them, they are included. You have your own son. You cannot be proud of your own son.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Davido again. Wahala, they say you not go finish for Isa Abule. This lady say now Sophia and now see for this Ifeanyi dead soul. He said now Sophia now see inside. He said because Sophia not they happy. Say Chioma and Davido come back again. He said he not they happy. He said now that pepper body now they do Ifeanyi this thing. So my people, so you just can't take life all because of the man leave you, like seriously. So you can't take life all because man say no want you again. Life where you not fit create, and you not fit create, and leg you don't go fit. So you can't take life all because say the man say no, he don't want you again. Now wow, may not be true, sha. Make it not be true because evil will not go on punish you. Anybody will do bad, you not go ever free for your life. If una get hand, that's all of una take get hand this side. Make una start to the confess now before thunder go start to the fire all of una. Make una start to the confess right now. We cannot just afford to lose Ifeanyi just like that, eh? We cannot lose that guy just like that. Oh. Hey. Anything we una know so una do. Una better come on do and fast. Una better come on do and fast. Start to the confess. So that make God forgive una. Hey. Una will cause this pain for Chioma body. Or because of una they jealous, say Davido love Chioma. And this love what of the con day now they see they ought like say they just know each other. So now pepper body. Now una can't say una want just me Percy picking. Now we can't go free. I mean something you una. It not go happen. You understand? Not be today a woman start to the born for man. Did Davido ever told you that he want to marry you? He ever tell you say he want to marry you? Talk less of say you can't be married. Eh? He ever tell you say he want to marry you? Eh? Now impatient when they worry with women, and because they bonbon will come be single mother. Yeah, because if we we really look at man supposed to tell woman say I want to marry you before you start to the born. And because say impatient, because when I say a celebrity, all of them want born put. Some people not born. He ever tell you say make una born pikin for am. He know the agreement. But as una jogo dona, belle can come. Now is okay. You remove and you say no, say you want born. Now you leave am. You understand? Even men looking at that Sophia say you go senior the Davido self, but you just want born for her because the name they reign. So wanna leave Chioma alone. Make una leave am. Man they follow different women and one they go choose. Our brother Two Face, not be Annie. Now be his first girlfriend when he know. Now with Annie. Now he do girlfriend, boyfriend and girlfriend together. But he leave Annie go they give other women belly. Other women be not born senior before Annie can't come back to Annie again. Because they say now Annie now want he can't still come back again to Annie. Abi after Annie don't born one for Rambo before he can't come back. Abi so that's why CP. So Chioma and Davido they separate. They come and say no, we miss each other. Chioma na wetin I want. Chioma said Davido na wetin he want. Now two of them come back again together. You understand? So me, I don't see anything bad for them. So make una leave these two people alone. Make them enjoy themselves. Make them enjoy themselves. But una leave them. When I think if una do this one now, Davido will come leave and will come marry and again. Una lie. If they go still marry, woto. Some of them go still love each other. Make una leave them alone. Make una leave them. This pain will not just cause for Chioma body, so una feel say una will go free for this thing. This thing is not ordinary, my people. Ass way big like that. First of all, come that and nobody know 9 people there house. But na reason na 9 people. We were beside our house not too big like this. If we say speaking, we not hear from her for 1 minute, so we could go look for her. How can 9 people go just there and so I don't know where Pikin go swimming pool? Small Pikin 3 years, and these people not there outside though. You go waka, e dey back of us. Davido has big, as that as your big, which they can say they not just see more na see reason by people now. Make una reason now. Make una reason I say they pay them, make they do that thing. They pay them to do that thing. These people have to confess. If na European, they don't catch the persons. They have to confess, oh. They have to confess. You understand? What did they do that Pikin? Confession have to take place right now. My people, make I put the video, make una see. I mean, not too long. When I make sure the video, let the video go viral. Bye.
Sophia, Momodu, last, everybody go cast, chop breakfast. You don't chop your own breakfast. You carry your daughter, go party, different party with your savage son. Now you kill Ifeanyi, everybody go know say you are witch. When Davido carry on with private jet, they go Ghana. Chioma, you don't sleep. Person can't see you. Chioma, you don't sleep. Sophia, you are a witch. See your shout old cargo voice. Say, I will send this photo to your daddy. Man, fuck you, bitch. What daddy? Davido, if I were you and now and deal with them. Since they're dealing with your soul and your happiness. Since they're stealing the only thing. And Chioma, all those girl boyfriends Chioma used to have, all of them, they are included. You have your own son. You cannot be proud of your own son. I have my own son. I have to be proud of my own son because it's my blood. What the fuck are you talking about? You now have destroyed an innocent soul. All the baby mamas, they are included. Witches.
Up and down because they wear different shirts. They start to they travel up and down after the old different women when they go give belly. They start to they travel up and down. You know, this 1 week, I be 2 weeks speaking. So tell me, say Davido don't know what happened to a Pikin. He freely say the Pikin bye. And woman when you claim say you love only one Pikin, una deliver for nanny. Una not they carry and follow body. Now you and Chioma, you understand? Yeah, and Chioma na de waka. Yeah, and Chioma na de waka. You know they carry the Pikin follow body. How many Pikin when they not fit carry nanny follow body? When they be say they carry Chioma go they already they console Chioma when you know say something go happen. They don't tell us say see who you go bring. Now besides they try to talk with you, I don't know. Now what in my mind they tell me. When I know say this my mind when you know they mind the business. If they always they tell me what I want know. When I know this my mind when you know they mind the business. When he mad go put for wahala. If they